Welcome to Southeast Technical College. Mechatronics is a unique program that combines the fields of engineering, machining, robotics, IT, and electronics to formulate automated solutions in manufacturing.
Mechatronics is a two-year associate's degree program. The first year we actually concentrate pretty heavily on the electronics side. Students learn basic electronics, electronic troubleshooting, how to troubleshoot down to the component level. They learn what all of the pieces do in an electrical system. They also learn some computer logic. Second year we focus more on the mechanical side of things. We have a fluid power class, pneumatics, hydraulics. We have a motor controls class. And they also work on the programmable controller, which is the brain that controls most industrial processes.
This learning is done in a hands-on environment on Southeast Tech's campus. Throughout the program, students do a number of hands-on projects that end with a large capstone project.
Our culminating project in the program is a manufacturing sim cell. Sim is computer-aided manufacturing. Students will align all of the mechanical processes and program all of the computer control processes to run the process from start to finish.
With the goal of more efficient machine solutions, mechatronics technicians are in demand in nearly every industry.
I have a couple of students who've gone to work for a local company here called Interstates Control Systems, and they actually write the programs for ethanol plants, soybean extraction plants, and they end up traveling across the country programming for these large scale plants. One of my favorite stories, a student who, during a class tour, he saw the robot that actually does the bacon manufacturing process. He told me that day, that's where I want to work. And he was my first graduating class, and he is still there, and he's now supervisor in charge of that department.
Interested in learning more? Contact our admissions office today to learn more about Southeast Tech and what it takes to become a student.